Hello,
Hi, welcome to the community kitchen. How can I help you?
I want to share my recipe with everyone.
You want to share your recipe with everyone?
Yes, but I not write recipe in English before.
You have not written a recipe in English before? That's okay. I can help you write it.
Thank you. My recipe is for chicken soup.
That sounds delicious. Can you tell me the ingredients?
Yes, I use chicken, carrots, and rice.
Great. We can write the steps together.
I am happy to learn new words.
Your English is getting better every day.
Thank you. I want people to try my food.
I'm sure everyone will love it. Sharing food is a wonderful way to make friends.
I am excited to cook with everyone.
That's great. Welcome to the kitchen, Anna.
Hello.
Hi. Are you going hiking today?
Yes, but I not know if the trail is safe.
You don't know if the trail is safe. Yes, it is safe, but you should stay on the path.
I am hiking alone. Is that okay?
It's better to hike with a friend, but many people hike alone here.
What I need to bring?
What do you need to bring? Bring water, a map, and your phone.
Are there wild animals?
Sometimes there are small animals, but they are not dangerous.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry. Just follow the signs and enjoy the walk.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and fun hike.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the outdoor reading room. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to borrow a book.
You want to borrow a book?
Yes, but I not have a library card.
You don't have a library card. That's okay. Here, you can borrow a book without a card.
How long I can keep the book?
How long can I keep the book? You can keep it for 1 week.
I need to write my name.
Yes, please write your name and the book title in this notebook.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to read outside.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your book and the fresh air.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the recycling drop-off. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to recycle my old phone.
You want to recycle your old phone?
Yes, but I'm not sure where to put it.
You're not sure where to put it. No problem. Electronics go in this special bin.
Can I put batteries here too?
Can I put batteries here too? Yes, but please use the small box for batteries.
I have an old charger. Where I put it?
Where do I put it? You can put chargers with the electronics.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I want to help the environment.
That's wonderful. Recycling is very important.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the pottery studio. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about glazing pottery.
You want to know about glazing pottery?
Yes, I make a cup, but I not glaze before.
You have not glazed before? No problem. I can show you how.
What I need for glazing?
What do I need for glazing? You need glaze, a brush, and your cup.
How long it take to dry?
How long does it take to dry? It takes about 1 hour.
Can I use any color?
Yes, you can choose any color you like.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try glazing.
That's great. Your cup will look beautiful.
Hello?
Hi, do you want to use the charging bench?
Yes, I want to charge my tablet.
You want to charge your tablet.
Yes, but I'm not sure how to do.
You're not sure how to do it. No problem. Just plug your cable into this port.
I have my cable. Where I put it?
Where do I put it? Plug it into the USB port here.
How long I can charge?
How long can I charge? You can charge for 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use this bench.
That's great. Enjoy your tablet and have a nice day.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the dance class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join a dance lesson.
You want to join a dance lesson?
Yes, but I not danced before.
You have not danced before? That's okay. Beginners are welcome.
When is the next lesson?
The next lesson is today at 5 o'clock.
I need special shoes.
Do I need special shoes? No, just wear comfortable shoes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am excited to try dancing.
That's wonderful. Dancing is fun and good exercise.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you at the lesson.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to our thrift shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a jacket, but I not find my size.
You want to buy a jacket, but you can't find your size?
Yes, I need medium size.
You need a medium size? Let me check for you.
Thank you. I like this blue jacket.
This one is small, but here is a medium.
Can I try it?
Yes, you can try it in the fitting room.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
The jacket fits well. I want to buy it.
That's great. You look good in it.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the meditation garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about quiet times.
You want to know about quiet times? Yes, quiet times are from 8 to 10 in the morning and 6 to 8 in the evening.
I can come at 9 in morning?
Can I come at 9 in the morning? Yes, that is a quiet time.
I not visit here before.
You have not visited here before? No problem. Everyone is welcome.
I need bring something?
Do I need to bring something? No, just yourself. We have mats and pillows.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try meditation.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your peaceful time here.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a calm and happy day.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Volunteer Center. Can I help you?
Yes, I want help at the event.
You want to help at the event?
Yes, but I not volunteer before.
You have not volunteered before? That's okay. We always need new helpers.
What I need to do?
What do I need to do? You can help set up tables and give out water.
When is the event?
The event is on Saturday at 10 o'clock.
I need bring something?
Do I need to bring something? Just bring yourself and a smile.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help.
That's wonderful. We are happy to have you on the team.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the composting event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about composting eggshells.
You want to know about composting eggshells?
Yes, I'm not sure if I can put eggshells in compost.
You're not sure if you can put eggshells in compost? Yes, you can. Eggshells are good for compost.
Do I need wash the eggshells first?
Do I need to wash the eggshells first? Yes, it's better to wash them.
Should I break them?
Yes, break them into small pieces. They will compost faster.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the environment.
That's wonderful. Composting is great for the earth.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the event.